In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Popup in Figma. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical, so you can apply it right away to your own designs. Start by opening your existing design in Figma. Make sure you can see the screen or frame where the pop-up should appear. Now we'll design the pop-up itself. Create a separate frame for your pop-up content, independent from your main screen. This frame will act as the overlay. Size it to fit what you need to show. Then add the text or images you want to appear in the pop-up. Keep the layout clean and readable. Use clear headings, supportive body text, and visuals that don't overwhelm the small space. If your pop-up includes multiple elements, arrange them with consistent spacing so it feels intentional and easy to scan. With the visual ready, it's time to set up the interaction. Switch to the Prototype tab. Select the element in your design that will act as the trigger, such as a button or a link. Drag the blue connector from that trigger to the pop-up frame you just created. This tells Figma what should appear when the user interacts with that element. Next, configure the interaction details. For the action, choose Open Overlay. This places your pop-up above the current screen without navigating away. Set the position to match your intent. Center is great for attention-grabbing messages. Top left works if you want it anchored to a specific corner, and manual lets you drag the overlay to an exact spot for custom layouts. Turn on. Add background behind overlay and choose a subtle tint, like a 50% black. This dimmed backdrop helps the pop-up stand out and reduces distractions. For dismissal, enable close when clicking outside so users can easily exit the pop-up by clicking the background. Choose an animation that fits your design language. Dissolve creates a gentle fade and feels calm, while Move In gives a bit more motion and can suggest direction. If you pick Move In, adjust the direction so it slides from where it feels most natural, such as from the bottom for a dialogue. Fine-tune the curve and duration to control how snappy or smooth it feels. Shorter durations feel more responsive. Longer ones feel more cinematic. Finally, preview your work to see it in action. Click Present to open a prototype preview. Interact with your trigger and confirm that the overlay opens, looks right, and closes when clicking outside. Make small adjustments as needed until it feels just right. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.